We feel that we're a really good company because we do what we say we're going to do. We invest in our people, we invest in our equipment, and we make sure that our customer comes first. I'm Steve Grace, the president of Grace Label. We're located in Des Moines, Iowa. We're a 40-year-old family printing business. A lot of the folks here have been here a long, long time. We were young. I had hair. We have several employees that are multiple generation here. That tells you what I think it's about. As a percentage, our largest market would be the food and beverage, where we also have a large growing market in the craft beer market, wine, spirits. However, one of our customers is children's stickers. We did over 275 million labels for that company last year. Combination of adding equipment, adding capital, adding people has enabled a 40-year-old company to have a significant increase in sales. I don't think we can pinpoint the exact moment we decided we needed to go digital. Really, it came down to there were probably only 3 or 4 digital printers in the market that had the history, and as we assessed those, the Domino just stood out as by far the best choice for our company. And we had a great resource. I had a great relationship prior with Chuck Stone. That made the decision and the entry into digital much easier.
I'm Lou Thurston, account executive with Grace Label. In the 8 years that I've been with Grace Label, I've seen a significant investment by the company in print technology. It started out with some of the higher end flexo presses, and then we moved into the Domino press that helped us take it to another level. The results are just outstanding. We've seen our business grow 15% year over year. We would have never had the opportunity had we not had the Domino technology. I couldn't be happier. Since our business is into the food and beverage industry, customers found themselves in out-of-stock situations that they hadn't in the past as a result of COVID. And the Domino helped us really get people out of a jam.
Grace Label saw an increase in business. We saw an increase in demand. Our customers got busier. The Domino was able to turn around orders that we hadn't had before. We were able to develop new customers. And right now, during the supply chain disruption, the Domino is fantastic because we're able to put something on there, move it over from our flexo presses, and then we're able to adapt and keep our customers rolling.
The Domino difference for us is that they're a true business partner. Domino has been excellent in their after-sales support, and we certainly don't feel like they're just a vendor. They've definitely become a business partner at Grace Label. Their people are here when we need them. Their technology folks are on the phone whenever we have questions. They're helping us think about our business in different ways, whether it makes sense to go digital on a job or whether we need to keep it flexo. They're a true partner.
We've had digital now for 2.5 years. Domino difference has really impacted Grace Label, and the Domino has been one of our best tools to be able to respond to our customers. I can't imagine going back to a time without the ability to run the Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
From everyone at Grace Label, thanks, Domino.